Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to earn miles on Eurowings. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner we have your profile and everything about it. And in the bottom of the screen we have the, of course, book a flight option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn miles on Eurowings. So to earn miles on Eurowings Airlines, you can join the Miles and More loyalty program. So sign up for the Miles and More program on Eurowings website. It's free to, of course, go and join. Then, when you're booking the flights, quote your Miles and More service card number. Alternatively, you can present your service card and check in. You'll earn miles for every Eurowing flight you take. The number of miles you earn depends on fare class and distance for a flight. You can also earn miles through partner companies such as hotels, cars, and rental shops. By accumulating miles, you can redeem them for flights, upgrades, and other rewards. So you just need to go and click on the Miles and More loyalty program. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.